Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from David to bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Dave mobile banking app on your mobile phones. Once you have done so, simply open it up and sign in and get into the official homepage, which it's gonna look like this right over here. Afterwards, if you would like to simply transfer money, all you have to do is simply choose this option of accounts in the bottom section. Once you have chose that particular option, this will simply access another interface which will include the Dave accounts, which will be saved on top. If you have saved a recipient's accounts information, you can choose to tap on it, or you can also choose to tap on this link an external bank account where you're going to add the recipient's information as a simple tap and pay option. And then you're going to tap on this option of transfer, which will be in the bottom section for you to transfer. Once you have done so, you will be able to see this kind of a four option popping up, which includes transfer via debit card, via account, another app, etc. All you have to do is tap on this option of transfer via account. Once you have done so, and you can make sure to check out as well, it is showing that the transfer might take 2 to 3 business days and there will be no fee for it. You will be able to access this kind of interface where you have to enter the accounts routing number, account number, partner bank name, etc. Once you have entered the information correctly, you will be able to tap on this next option where you have to enter the desired amount to transfer. Once you have done so, enter all of the information accordingly. You will be able to confirm and will be able to do the transaction. Once you're done, you can also go to your statement section and check out the statements for the further details, and you are good to go. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.